In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change region settings in Google Chrome. This is useful if you want Google search to show results tailored to a specific country or area, for example, when you're researching local news, shopping options, or services abroad. We'll walk through where the setting lives and how to apply it, all right, inside Chrome. Start by opening Chrome and going to the Google homepage. On that page, look for the Settings option. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it near the bottom of the page. Click Settings to open Google's menu of Preferences. From there, choose Search Settings. This takes you to a page where Google lets you customize how search behaves. Inside Search Settings, locate the section called Other Settings. Click that to reveal additional options. Now, find and open Language and Region. This area controls the language Google uses for interfaces and the country focus for your results. Remember, language and region are different. Language affects how menus and messages appear, while region influences which country's search results you're likely to see. Within Language and Region, look for Results Region. This is the switch that tells Google which country's results to prioritize. Click Results Region to open the list of available regions. You'll see a range of countries and locales you can choose from. If you're doing research for a specific country, pick that region to get more locally relevant websites, news, and services in your search results. Next, select your desired region from the list. Simply click the country you want. Some versions display radio buttons or a highlighted selection. Either way, choosing the country sets your preference. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right one, especially if the list is long and you're scrolling quickly. Once you've chosen, click Confirm. This applies the change to your Google search settings. After confirming, your future searches should favor results from the region you selected. If you don't notice a difference immediately, try a fresh search or open a new Google tab and search again. You should see more location-specific sources and links aligned with the region you set. A few quick notes to keep in mind. This setting affects Google search results, not your device's GPS or your actual physical location. You can return to these settings at any time and switch regions again. If you're signed into your Google account, this preference may carry across devices where you use that account. And that's it. Simple and effective. You've now adjusted Google's results region in Chrome so your searches better match the location you care about.